So what they got in a cell phone screen is a matrix. You've got your X lines and your Y lines. It's a grid, okay? So my yellow line is connected to a signal generator, which is generating a 2 megahertz signal into that line, and it's capacitively coupling into the white wires, which is 4 channels into my scope. Okay, so that'll on the scope show us the X position when I touch these wires. So let's have a look at the scope. So there's our scope signal. So in order from the left, we've got yellow, blue, purple and blue. So when I touch the yellow, you can see the yellow being distorted. That's far left. The one next to it, the blue one, now being coupled. Next one, purple. The last one, blue. Okay, so that's how your cell phone knows where you're touching the screen. So I was touching it like that. So what I'm going to do is zoom out for you so that you can see everything at the same time like that. So there's that. That's yellow. That is the turquoise. That's purple. And that is blue. So that's how your cell phone registers the position of your hand on the screen. So you got that line which is being energized, and that is your feedback line, your grid. So I've sort of crudely represented what's happening in your cell phone screen over here. The grid with which it registers where your finger's moving across. So that's what the signals look like that the cell phone are decoding. Very interesting. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hope you learned something here. Take care, have an awesome day further. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.